Okay guys, so if you want to earn money from your website by showing ads, but your AdSense didn't approve your blog spot, so how you can display ads? So kind of like, let me show you example. As you can see, there is an ad showing at here, and I want to also add in here, okay, like this page. Make sure your website is enough searchable, like is useful. Okay, make sure that your website have some content that user gets some information from or get some knowledge from your websites. Okay, then it will be become more like, as you can see, my response at this blog spot is enough good. Okay, like 10,000 last month, and this month 1395, so it's good. Okay, so now I want to display ads, but my Google AdSense didn't approve this blog spot. So how can now display it? So I have a option for you, that butter bulletproofprofile.com. You just need to create a just a account. After then, just in your websites, okay, let me show you. Just go your management accounts, then you need to just go your you need to just approve your site first at here. So how you can do, just go at the sites, add a sites, then you need to just add your websites, then click on submit, then you need to, they give you a code, just copy the code and paste it here in a blog spots at header file, and then click on verify. Then it takes some time, like 1 day, then they send you an email that yes, your website is active. So one is done, you need to just go your code, add code, then you have like this. There's a lots of advertisement format, so I want to display ads in my right side, so just click on display ads, then you need to give your code name. So in my case, I'm giving it code 3 or A3 ads 3. Then you need to click on your site's name, then click on create the ads. Okay, now it will be creating a ads for you. So here is your XML, so just copy this. It's not XML, it's HTML. So just copy your HTML and click on update the ad, and one is done, just wait some time for load, then click on cross. Okay, now you have your code. Okay, like this code. Here's the my name with ad 3. Then you need to go your which website you want, or where you want to paste your ads. So I want to paste my ads in my layout at the the bottom sides, the right side. So here is my blog spot format. So add this code, add this one. I just click on add, and then add here. What I'll be do is basically just delete this stuff and just paste your HTML code what they give, then click on saved, and now your code will be ready to show at here. Then I also want to display my ads at here right side, so let me create a one more. So let me show you again. So click on create display ads or pop ads, which one you want. So I am using the display. So now I set it to vertical. Okay, so yeah, I think this vertical, or the you can set out horizontal also. So let's set this quad type, then click your ad name, ad 4, then just click on the create ad, then just copy the ad again, click on upgrade, and then you need to just click on cross, come your websites or HTML, then click on add here, that ad space where you want to display your ads, then just remove this code, paste your own HTML code, then click on save. Okay, so now your website is ready to rock and roll. Just click on refresh, and at the time you can see that there's a displaying code ads. As you can see, the ad is showing. Click on skip, and here you can see at my right side it's displaying the ads, and there should be one more ad should be show. Okay, like because we add 2 ads, so that's why. So here you can see our second ads at show at here. So that's this way you can display your ads in your website. So I just hope you like my video. If you have any question, you can comment us in my comment box, and thank you so much for watching guys. Love you all. Bye bye.